Happy 50th birthday, Tito Juice. Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat po ng payo niyo sa aming magkakapatid at sa lahat po ng tulong na nabigay niyo sa pamilya natin. Sana po manatili po kayong malakas at malusog. Ayun lang po. Happy birthday, Tito Juice. Enjoy your day. Happy 50th birthday, Tito Jules. Una sa lahat, Tito Jules, gusto kong humingi ng pasasalamat sa lahat ng nagawa mo sa aming magkakapatid, kay Ivy, kay Vel, kay Mami. Hindi po namin to nasasabi sa araw-araw, pero sobrang laki ng pasasalamat namin at na-appreciate po namin lahat ng nagagawa mo para sa pamilya natin.
And thank you po na napili namin. Magagamit yung po sa araw-araw, especially po sa work nyo. And sana po magustuhan nyo yung simpleng gift na naisip namin.
Ayun. Happy birthday ulit, Tito Jules.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Jules. Today we celebrate you, your strength, generosity, and beautiful spirit. Throughout the years, you've been a constant source of support and inspiration, and I'm truly grateful for everything you've done for us. Your kindness, guidance, and presence have been more to me than words can ever express. May this milestone birthday bring you everything you deserve, especially good health. We love you and enjoy your special day.
Hello, Father. Thank you for all you've done for me, even though I've been very immaculate. I promise that I will try to change my ways. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Julius. You have spent 5 decades making the world a brighter place for everyone around you. May this next chapter be your most beautiful one yet. Enjoy your day.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Jules! We wish you good health and we wish you more success in life and more birthdays to come! We love you! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Tito Jules. Yung picture na to, it represents me as a batang kalit-kalit. Naalala ko na lagi akong sinasama nila Tito Julius sa mga gala nila, kaya minsan nagkakaroon ng time na mas pinipili ko sila kaysa kila Papa. Masaya ako na nakasama ko ng dati, and that's one thing I'm thankful for. Ito naman isang picture ang naglalaro ng chess. So obviously naman, si Tito Julius din yung nagturo sa akin na paglaro nito. And I'm thankful din doon kasi kahit paano nagkaroon ako ng kaalaman sa larong to, tapos nagkaroon pa ako ng place ng elementary base. So yun yung mga core memories na meron ako hanggang sa pagtanda. Happy birthday ulit, Tito Julius. Please to come. God bless you always.
Julius, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Julius! 50th birthday, wow! Kailangan talaga umabot pa tayo ng mahabang buhay, okay? Mga pagsubok sa buhay natin, tanggapin ng maluwag. Bigayan sa atin ng Panginoon at dapat nating labanan. At walang sama ng loob. Okay? So, happy birthday again, Nak. We love you very much. We are proud of you. See you soon!
Happy golden birthday, Julius! Okay, we're gonna sing. Me and Snowy are gonna sing happy birthday for you. Okay, she's ready. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julius. Happy birthday to you. Good girl! Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Julius. May the Lord bless you with good health. Enjoy your golden birthday. And we will see you soon. Cheers! Papakatsagan tayo sa Pilipinas. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday Happy birthday to you!
Happy 50th birthday, Julius!
Julius, ito ang banding nyo ni Sir Nan. Alam mo naman, favorite niya yan. Dito talaga kayo tsumatsagan. So, sa pagkikita nyo ulit, inuman na. Tsagad na tsagad. Okay? Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday Kuya Jules. Sorry na wala ako dyan sa celebration ng birthday. Pero, wish ko sa'yo, maging masaya ka naman today. Thank you sa lahat. Enjoy lang. Happy birthday. Love you, Kuya Jules.
Happiest 50th birthday, Kuya Jules. Wishing you always the best of health and the best of life.
Happy birthday to Jules. Pasensya na, hindi kami makakapunta. Pag nagkita-kita na lang tayo ulit. Bawi na lang kami. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, Tito Ninong. Happy birthday po, Tito Jules. God bless you po. We love you.
Hi, Tatay Julius. For your golden birthday, my gift to you is this personalized water bottle from Aqua Flask. I hope magustuhan mo yung gift ko, sir. I hope you find its appearance interesting. Hindi siya boring na isang color lang. Hindi rin masyadong nagsusumigaw na parang pansinin niyo ako. Just like your personality. Hindi boring kasama. Ang daming kwento na yung 1 hour na thesis dissertation consultation 5 to 10 minutes lang yung thesis, tas the rest kwento na. Pero at the same time, hindi rin KSP na kailangan laging naka-spotlight. I hope also that you will find my gift helpful. I hope it will serve its purpose, just like how you are helpful and you really serve your purpose to me as my advisor in MS thesis and PhD math dissertation. Lastly, ano po bang nilalagay dito sa gift ko? Water, di ba? Or pwede rin coffee. Pero whether water or coffee, it gives life, di ba? Sabi nga ng mga coffee lovers, coffee is life. Ganun ka rin, sir, sa buhay ko. By helping me finish my master's and PhD, nagagawa ko ngayon yung work na gusto ko, which is magturo, and I'm able to provide the needs of my family. So in other words, sir, just like water or coffee, you have given me life. And not just me, even my family. Pati yung wife kong si Belle. Yung panganay po namin na si Ethan David. Say hi, Ethan. At ang amin pong 1-year-old na si Cody Abraham. Cody, sleeping ang bebe. Yeah, and hopefully, even yung mga students ko, na ako yung tatay nila sa math, so ikaw naman, sir, yung kanilang lolo pagdating sa kanilang mathematical journey or career. So again, thank you, sir, sa napakalaking contribution nyo sa buhay ko dito sa mundong ibabaw. Kayo, sir, yung tubig na nung ininom ko, nabigyang sigla yung aking buhay. Pero may mga pangyayari, sir, dito sa mundo na nagpapawala ng sigla na yun. Pero meron din pong tubig, sir, na pag ininom natin ay kailanman hindi na mawawala yung ating sigla. Yun po si Yesu Cristo. Sabi nga po, sir, sa Bible, sa Gospel of John chapter 4 verses 13 to 14, Jesus answered and said unto her, Whosoever drinketh of this water shall thirst again, But whosoever drinketh of the water that I shall give him shall never thirst, but the water that I shall give him shall be in him a well of water, springing up into everlasting life. It is my wish and prayer for you, Tay Julius, on your 50th birthday, na makilala mo si Jesus Christ, the spring of living water. Para po maging lagi kayong masigla, anumang klase ng pagsubok ang kaharapin nyo sa inyong buhay. Yun lang sir, enjoy po kayo sa inyong special dinner sa Tagaytay prepared by your family, especially ni Ate Ninang Ses. It's a blessing sir na mayroong kayong loving wife, loving family, and a loving God na nag-allow po sa inyo na mabuhay kayo ng 50 years and hopefully even more. Happy birthday, Tay Julius!
Happy birthday to you! Hi, the golden boy! You're so the cool na!
Kasi niya siya kung kailan kayo salita.
Happy birthday, Sir Julius!
Happy birthday, Sir Julius! May kape ka na, sir.
Sino po kayo para TVI?
Happy birthday, Sir Julius!
Happy birthday! Tuloy! Happy birthday, Sir Julius!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Day to you! Happy birthday, sir!
Hello Julius, happy 50th. Lagi mo akong binibiro na mas matanda ako sa'yo. So it really is a real treat for me to greet you. Happy 50th. At saka para i-remind ka rin na 2 taon lang naman ang tanda ko sa'yo. At saka even if I'm 2 years older than you, I can proudly say that I don't have pain in my lower back. So, it's been 25 years knowing you. I remember, well, at least the first time that we had more than a minute of conversation was when I met you in Tokyo. At kung hindi ako nagkakamali sa Italian restaurant pa yun sa Capricciosa, and we even had something alcoholic. And anyway, so 25 years, no? And we've been through a lot as friends and colleagues. And well, honestly, I sometimes envy you because I think that di hamak na mas colorful and mas exciting ang buhay mo kaysa sa akin. And well, I guess that has always been the case since you were a kid. Very colorful and exciting. As colleagues, we've definitely had our disagreements, but please know that I've always respected your views and found gems in your insights sometimes. As a friend, well, thank you really for the endless banters and for always making me the punchline of your jokes. I will always remember you for that. And anyway, so I wish you the very best of health, the warmest company of friends as you start an even more colorful and exciting chapter of your life here on earth. So cheers!
Hello, Julius. Happy birthday. Okay. Pasensya na, hindi ako makakapunta today kasi marami tayong ganap. Pero, yan, video greeting na lang for you. So, I think karamihan sa atin kilala si Julius as a professor. Ayan kami. Yan, Sir Joey. And si Julius, isa sa pinakabata sa picture na to eh. Palagi niya akong inaalasta kasi mas matanda daw ako sa kanya. Pero mga 7 buwan lang naman. Yan. Si Julius din ay isang, sabi nila, terror proof daw. Tingin ko nga pinag-iisipan niya tong may hawak na blue book eh. Siguro iniisip niya ilang points bang ibibigay niya dyan sa estudyante. Pero sa totoo lang, dahil medyo magkaedad kami ni Julius. Okay? Magkaklase pa kami niyan simula nung kami nagma-masters. Ayan, no? 30 pounds ago yan. Mga estudyante pa kami niyan. Si Julius, ano yan eh, very thoughtful yan. Isa yan tuwing Valentine's Day kasi kaming mga girls, halos lahat mga single pa niyan. Pero pag Valentine's Day, sila yung grupo na meron silang binibigyan nila kami ng tigigisang rose para naman siguro may matanggap kaming bulaklak kahit mga single kami nun. Ayan. So fast forward to today, ayan na, tumanda na kami sa Institute of Math, kain-kain na lang ang gusto namin. Pero alam niyo, si Julius, ano yan eh, meron niyang official role pa sa math bukod sa teacher. Yung kanyang official role pag Christmas party. Yan. Siya ang aming taga-tagay. Mula noon hanggang ngayon. Kahit nitong last Christmas party, kaming mga medyo kaedaran niya nagsiuwian na. Siya game na game pa din. Ayan. Kaya, so wish ko sa iyo, Julius, ito muna, isang virtual gift. Ito, syempre hindi ko yan gigift sa'yo, pero yan ang naisip ko dati. Kasi, bakit megaphone? Meron kasi kaming, si Julius kasi napaka-prangka niyan eh. Kaya sabi namin nung kaibigan namin isa pa si Che, sabi namin, to si Julius, sa totoo lang, yung mga bagay na nasa thought bubble lang namin at hindi namin masabi, nasasabi niya. Kaya okay din pagka-prangka. Pero ito ang totoo kong gift sa'yo. Ay, hindi si Kuya. Yung hawak niya. Kailangan na natin yan. Alam mo naman, pag 50 na, sumasakit na lahat ng kasukasuan. Yeah, so, happy birthday, Julius. Wish you good health for you and your family and more blessings.
Sir Julius, I'm so happy that you have reached the half a century na milestone sa buhay nyo. Sabi nga nila, youth is a gift of nature and age is a work of art. Definitely kayo ay isang masterpiece. Sir, maraming salamat at napakalaki ng utang na loob ko sa inyo, lalo na sa academic life ko sa UP. Maraming beses na gusto ko nang sumuko. Pakiramdam ko na disappoint ko kayo kasi wala akong napuproduce na results. Pero kayo hindi kayo sumuko, hindi nyo ako sinukuan. You're more than a mentor to me, sir. Para na kayong pamilya. As a person, you, sir, iba ang talino at wisdom ng isang Julius Basila. Definitely kahanga-hanga. Ang wish ko lang sa inyo ay sana laging maayos ang kalusugan nyo, because when I go back to the Philippines, gusto ko sana mabisita ko kayo lagi. So I wish you the happiest birthday at 50, sir. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! Wow, 50 ka na. I remember noon na 4 months old ka pa lang. I'm your older sister kasi wala pa yung mga sisterets mo. Bali, tayo palang dalawa. Akong panganay. Anyway, you're so cute noon. Cute ka pa naman at 50 ngayon. You're so handsome. Happy birthday! Anyway, I wish you all the best. Happiness, good health. Yun lang. Wala naman iba yung kamahiling pa eh. Nandiyan na sa'yo lahat. Happy birthday!
Hello, Julius. Happy birthday. And praise God, umabot ka na 50 years old. Bihira na yung mga tao ngayon umaabot ng 50. Even in my group, marami nang nawala. And kapag umabot ka ng 50 ay biyaya na ng Diyos yun. And patuloy mo lang itong i-enjoy. I know you're going to be a good father to your children, just like the way your father is. Ganun mo rin kamahal ang mga anak mo. Patuloy mo silang gabayan and be faithful to your wife. Take care of the family. Hindi man tayo madalas magkita, I know you're a kind of person who will take care of your family. So, meron kaming pinipare na dance number para sa'yo. Pagtiyagaan mo na lang. Bahala na kung magustuhan mo o hindi. Pero para sa'yo yan. Happy birthday, Julius. Enjoy your 50th birthday. Thank you.
Hi Joe, happy birthday. Wish kayo sa iyo is always good health and more birthday to celebrate. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Happy birthday again.
Mula sa Sydney, Australia, bumabati kami ng maligayang kaarawan kay Jules.
Keep on rocking and stay funny. Bawat kwentuhan natin, na-appreciate namin ng mga hirit at quotable quotes mo. Ang wish namin sa iyo ay sana makompile mo at magilibro yung mga nakakatawang one-liners at hits mo. God bless and we wish you infinite more birthdays to celebrate.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi Jules, June here. Happy birthday. Gusto sana namin pumunta dyan. Unfortunately, hindi pumayag yung mga alaga ko. So, wishing you good health, more years to come, and best of luck always. Happy birthday.
Kumusta ko kamo gabos dyan. Happy birthday. I wish you many more birthdays to come. Diyos ang kaipuhan, nganing magkaigwa kita ning buwan.